All right, it's time we do an update video today. I got the Huskies towing me around on the mountain here today. So at the beginning of summer there, even in the spring, I was actually putting a lot of work into the shop, a lot of work into, well, I called it a shop, it was actually just the garage. I was putting a lot of work into our shop space. We had the triple there, all torn apart for our summer project. Actually, let's roll a little bit of what I shot now. Crazy part now, we gotta pack up every bit of the project, put it away in boxes. Well, hopefully we can keep organizing all the boxes. I actually had the full-on plan this year that I was going to take videos all through the summer for the first time ever. I've been doing some jet ski stuff. That's been lots of fun. But sometimes things around here change really fast, and that's what happened this summer. So instead of doing videos like I really had planned, things took a left turn. I really don't want to spill the beans because it is actually like kind of a big deal. A big reveal video is probably only about a week or two away. In the meantime, go over to Facebook, go over to Instagram, go over to YouTube, and just watch those shorts, watch those reels. Videos like that will give you a lot of hints on what is going to be going on here in just a couple weeks. And there's a ton of new stuff to talk about in addition to that, like partnering up with Quest Fabrications. We got a big year coming for you guys. My Ally X is doing all the heavy lifting right now, so I'm not doing anything in 4K. I don't even think I'm doing anything in HDR right now. Just a little more time with that thing, and then we will have the big edit station all set up again. So I suggest you go and check out the reels and the shorts right now, because that's what I'll be doing to keep you guys updated, and you'll be able to piece together most of what's going on. I do feel a little behind this year as things have been a little quiet, but hey, things are always a little bit quiet on this channel in the summer, so that's okay, because we're stoking up for an absolutely epic year here. You can go to sixes.com for your merch needs, but not right now because the website is down because we are doing in-house shipping. We don't currently have an in-house at the moment. Everything's on hold. Come back in a month. Oh, I'm up here with the parks departments. The jet ski stuff has also been super fun. I had no idea how big of a world that is until I started investing a little more time into it. You can mod these things up like more than you can mod a sled. It's crazy. I wish I could say more, but I can't. So check back soon. Watch those shorts and those reels for now. I think you'll get a pretty good idea what's going on.